Alright, so here we got the iRobot Roomba 550 model. This Roomba is used, but it's in great condition. It works great, and it comes with a battery that lasts an hour and 54 minutes, so just about 2 hours. And that's with hardwood and carpet mix. So obviously if you just have hardwood floor, it'll last way over past 2 hours, which is really good for a battery. So basically I'll show you quickly what I got here. I got an extra filter. It's slightly used, but it's been cleaned out, and so it's like almost like a new filter. So a spare filter, 2 virtual wall lighthouses. They do require 2 C-size batteries each. So basically, they're in great shape. Alrighty, got a power adapter or charger right here. So it's also in great shape here. Got a slim docking station. For more details, you guys can take a look at the pictures. And if you have questions, please let me know. So everything has been cleaned and disinfected with Clorox wipes, so you get nice clean Roomba. So here's the Roomba itself. And like I said, it's used, it's not brand new, so it has some small scratches here. Just a faceplate. So in the pictures you guys can see a little more detail of the bumper area. Alright. Flip it over. So here we got the 3-legged brush, which is in excellent shape. It's used. Got a front wheels also in great shape here. There's a model number in case anybody interested in. So here's the dustbin and the vacuum bin. Here's a serial number in case anybody interested in. So like I said, everything has been cleaned, disinfected. Here's the brushes that are nice and clean. And the gears on this clean head module have been cleaned out and relubed, so you get long life out of this Roomba. And I'll show you what I got inside here. Alright, so I'll show you guys how it works. Everything has been checked and double checked, make sure everything works properly. And I'll do a straight run to show you guys that the bumper sensor worked fine. So like I said, everything works correctly. And everything is double checked. Alright, thanks for watching. Happy bidding.